Hi besties, welcome. Notice I've been vlogging and I've not been talking to you all. So I want to quickly be doing some things. Today is our market day actually. Our big market day where people come, buy and sell. So and things are very affordable on this day. It's normally twice in a week. So I just quickly want to get dressed so I can go for the market. I can go to the market, but I'm not sure I'm going to be carrying you guys along. Maybe to be on my next clip. So today is Saturday, and yeah, content creation is not for the weak at all. I woke up since around 7 a.m. and I have been very, when I say very busy, I have been very busy. You can see I did everything. I went to the kitchen. I did all the house chores. It's not easy. Hey, people that are content creator, how do you do it? It got to some point that I couldn't be able to vlog everything I was doing. So I just had to just pause and just continue with what I was doing. So have I told you on my channel before that I am into skincare? Of course, people that knows me, that subscribe to me, they know I'm into skincare. So I'm into skincare. I'm a skincare formulator. So I have a small business brand. Yeah, I have a very small business brand. Susie Skincare is the name of my brand. So somebody was actually advising me that why is it that you're into skincare and why is it that you're a skincare formulator and you do not post on Instagram, right? So I was like, see, this Instagram of a thing, I'm not into Instagram. The only place you can be able to catch up with me is on Facebook, which I'm going to be dropping the handle down below. So what happened? So try to be consistent on my this thing. I want to try to be consistent on my Instagram. Sorry, there are so many distractions. My daughter just walked in. So I want to try to be consistent on my Instagram page, so at least people can know me for what I'm doing. But anywho, I'm set this morning. And let me show you one of my brand. I have this is someone was asking me, right? Someone was telling me that, oh, how did you become a skincare formulator? Well, I was scrolling through Facebook. Like I said, you will always find me multiple times on Facebook. Where I always run my business most is on Facebook, right? So someone was asking me, how did I become a skincare formulator? So this is how I became a skincare formulator. Back then in 2018, I was scrolling through Facebook and then I saw a Facebook ad that talks about free skincare tutorial. Like they want to teach skincare for free. So I enrolled into it and were thoughts. I have always want to go into skincare. When I see people's skin glow, and I always love anything that has to do with skincare, right? So I love skincare products. I was like, why don't I just go for this course? So on that faithful day, I was scrolling through my Facebook page. Then I saw a ad where they talk about free skincare online. So I enrolled in it. That was enrolled in one of our tutorial, and yeah, she taught us black soap. She taught us how to make black soap for flawless skin. So after she listed the ingredients and she taught us, then I tried it. I went and get the ingredients from the market. I tried it out and I tested it on myself and my skin was glowing. My skin was glowing, guys. Then I also shared for my friend and my neighbor because I did a very large bowl. So I shared for others and they were testifying, and before you knew, that was how I got my two first customer. Then I was like, wow, I want to really take this skincare thing to another level. Like I want to really learn it. So she was like, then she was saying that it's 24,000 naira to learn, I think about 6 or 7 courses. So I enrolled in 2018. I enrolled in our courses. It was physical training, and it was in Ojota. So I went for the courses. I was always going every day for 6 months. Then that was how I learned all this, and I also got my ebook and everything. And I started, I started with my small business. That was how I started getting review from a whole lot of people. So that is how I became a skincare formulator. Let me show you one of my skincare products, though it's just remaining label. I just need to just draft out a label, go to the cafe and draft out a label for my skincare. I couldn't be able to because the cost they were calling, it was too much, and I needed something very, very beautiful that will attract customer, right? So I'm coming, just a minute. Let me just quickly go get one of my products, which is the sunscreen. All right, so this is my this is the sunscreen I made this from scratch. This is what it's looking like. I think this light is too bright, but this is how it's looking like. Can you see? That is what it's looking like. So I have this, I've been using it. So that's what I've been using. So yeah, that is what I've been using. This is my personal sunscreen. So I do use it all over my body, from my face to my body, and it's SPF 80. So I produced it. This is one of my products. I produced it myself. This is the only product I have available for now, but I've been using my product since 2020. I've been using my product and it's very, very okay. See, I'm not a fair skinned person, but I've been using my lightening body lotion with the soap. It's not available here. The last one was picked up by a customer. So yeah, that is just it. If you've watched to this point, please help me by clicking on that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next one. Today it's Saturday, like I said. I think maybe today or tomorrow after church, I want to take my mom and my hubby and my husband to maybe a eatery, or let us just have brunch. I just want to take them somewhere so we can have brunch. My mom and hubby, they are births on the same day, like the same month, the same date. So yeah, so that's just it. So I just want to start vlogging. I just want to start a new vlog for you guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe, because more videos are coming for you. And if you're an OG subscriber, I love you so much. I love you so much. So if you want to purchase my products, if you feel like okay, it's something you want to give it a try and it's very, very affordable, the sunscreen is still available. So if you feel like you want to patronize me, if you just want to try my product, please, I'm going to leave how you can be able to contact me, my Instagram and also my Facebook. I'm going to be leaving the handle down here, so please do well to patronize your girl. You can see my skin is glowing. So all right, thank you very, very much, and I will see you guys in my next one. For now, bye.